Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to cut a lace applique, and I am going to be using this lace, and this lace is called 3D lace. Now what I am doing in this video is I am just cutting around the lace so as to get the right place I want to work with. So now you're just going to start cutting very close to the lace design. You're just going to follow the shape of the flower and cut very close to it. When cutting, you need to make sure that you do not cut through the flower itself. If not, it might fray because some fabrics do lose. So it depends on the kind of fabric you are working with. Now I am going to go in and start cutting this thing so you can see how to cut yours using your scissors. If you don't want to use the scissors to cut this, you can actually use a soldering iron. And soldering iron is easier. And if you don't have a soldering iron, you can do just what I am doing. Now you can see what it's looking like so far, and this is what the former one looks like, the one that I haven't cut yet. You can see how ugly it looks with the lace nets around it. Now I am going to go on and continue cutting this very one that I just started cutting. I'm going to go on and finish it, and you can watch with me. Now that I am done cutting, can you see how beautiful this is looking? Like, you can compare it to the way it was looking before with the net all around it. Can you see that? So that is why it is very necessary to cut off that net. Now to apply this to whatever it is you are making, you can either hand sew it or sew it with your sewing machine. As you can see, I am hand sewing this to this dress, or you can use E6000 glue or whatever glue you have. If you want to see how I made this dress, which I also used the applique, do check the description box below or the first comment you see in the comment section for the video. See you in my next video.